So first I start by parting it from ear to ear, and I start my comb at the top. I do not start from the bottom of the ear and go up because it makes it uneven. I start from the top on both sides, and I do that through both. I don't split it down the middle because to me it's like doing extra work, so I do it like that. And I was cleaning it up with some gel. I used the Shine and Jam, the orange container, not the yellow or the red. That works best for me. Then y'all see I split it from the top of the ear to I hope that makes sense. Y'all see me doing it. And then from there, I'm going to split that part into 2 for medium knotless. And it could either be 3 braids on the first row or 4. And the second row will either be 4 or 5 braids. Then from there, I'm parting my 3rd row. In total for the back, it'll be 5 or 6 rows. It's up to you. That's what I do for my medium knotless. After the first 2 rows, it'll be 3. That's what it'll look like about halfway through. Always start the front always with the middle part, even if it's a side part, because it'll make both sides even. And then my medium knotless, I have 4 rows, and you see me parting right here.